Hey guys, welcome back to Trade Empire. Today in this video, you will learn some advanced techniques to identify the support and resistance level on the chart like a professional trader. As we know that support and resistance are two major concepts in technical analysis. And learning these important terms can help you to analyze the chart in a professional way. See you after a short intro. The first question here is, what is meant by support and resistance? Support and resistance are price levels that affect trading decisions. Support is a price floor where buyers step in, stopping prices from dropping further. Think of it as a buy zone. Resistance is a price ceiling where sellers take control, preventing prices from rising. It's a sell zone. And support and resistance are the zones where price reacted previously and may react in future. So we can find some trading opportunities there. The next question is, why is it essential to highlight these levels on the chart? We highlight these levels on the chart because these price levels can serve as possible entry or exit points. So whenever price reaches at a previous support or resistance level, it can bounce back from that level, or it can break that level and hit the next support or resistance point. Now there are precise principles and factors that we look for to identify support and resistance levels. First, we look for swing highs and swing lows. Swing highs and swing lows are the points where the price hit recently. Second, we look for those areas from where the price got rejected multiple times. The more the rejections, the stronger the level will be. Third, the bounce away from the support or resistance should be drastic. It means price should bounce back from that point instantly with heavy momentum. It will represent the strength of sellers or buyers at that level. 4. The level has provided both support and resistance. It means the level that has been respected by both support and resistance. 5. The support or resistance level should be formed or respected recently. It will tell us that the level still has the buyers or sellers active at that point, because latest support and resistance levels are more important than older. Now, we will go to real market charts to learn everything practically. First, we will talk about swing highs and swing lows. Here on the chart, we have an uptrend, and price is creating break of structures to the upside. And this is the highest point that price hit recently, and rebounded for a pullback. So this is the recent swing high point. And we will mark this point as a resistance. And price can also come back from this point, or it also can break this resistance point and continue moving upward. And if we look at the bottom, this is the lowest point where price hit recently. So this will be a recent swing low. And we mark this level as a support. And price can come back at this support and move upward. Or it can break this support and change the trend direction. Here's an important point. Never execute any trade only on support and resistance without any other confirmation. Always look for some price action, candlestick patterns, and entry setups. Then execute with full confirmations. That's how your winning ratio will increase and losing ratio will decrease. Let's move to the second step. The multiple rejection criteria means the point from where the price got rejected multiple times. Look at the chart. These type of common scenarios happens daily in the market. Here you can see that price went up at this level multiple times, but every time it got rejected by this level. So we mark this level as a strong resistance. Now here's a question. Why we highlight multiple rejection levels on the chart? Multiple rejection level indicates that price got rejected from here multiple times. Means that traders are active at that point in several time period. So you can take edge of this in your future trades, and it will help you to execute your trades. Let's move to the next criteria. The bounce away from the support or resistance level should be drastic. It means that we will look for the sharp price movement from that level. Here on the chart, we have a clear example of drastic movement. As you can see right here, price bounced away from this support level to the upside with extreme big candles, so this is a drastic move. And we will mark this level as a support. And if we look here, we have another drastic move here. As we can clearly notice this sharp bullish move from this support level, so we will mark this support level. And here at the top, whenever price reached this level, got rejected drastically. So we mark this point as a resistance level. What is the significance of this? We highlight these drastic support and resistance levels because from where the price moves sharply and with heavy momentum candles, indicating a strong buyers or sellers control. And we mark these areas so we can find some trading opportunities when again price taps on that levels. Moving to the next topic, the both support and resistance level. It means that the level which is respected by both support and resistance. For example, first it acts as a support, then it will act as a resistance. Here on the chart, we have a clean example of both support and resistance. As you can see, price respected this level multiple times. And this level acts as a support, and price moves up whenever tapped at this support level. But if we look here, the support got broken, and price moves down from this level. But after that, price again come to this level, and the old support level turns into resistance. And after tapping this resistance level, price immediately bounced back to the downside. This both support and resistance criteria shows that the traders were very active at this level. First they act as buyers, then after the level got broke, then they act as sellers, so you can take advantage of this to execute your trades. And the last criteria is the level that is formed or respected recently. As I told earlier, the latest formed support or resistance are more important than the older one, because there are more chances that price will respect them again. Here on the chart, you can see that price got rejected by this level multiple times in a very short time period. It means that this level is still valid as a resistance. And if you look further back here, this is also a swing high created by the price, but price is not going there and respecting this recently formed resistance. That's why recently respected or recently formed levels are in priority. And viewers, if you are enjoying the video, show your appreciation with a like, and subscribe the channel for more trading videos. Now you have learned all the criteria about support and resistance. Let's combine them all together on the chart to indicate support and resistance levels. Here on the chart, we have this level at the top, where price hit recently, and then bounced back. So we mark this level. Previously in this video, we discussed several criteria for what makes a good level of resistance. Now, what criteria this scenario occurs? First, this level is a swing high. It means this is the highest point that price hit recently. Second, this level has multiple rejections. As you can see that price got rejected by this level 3 times. Third, drastic movement, as you can see here. After tapping this resistance level, the price bounced back drastically with big red candles. Here's an important point. You only need one criteria to find support and resistance. But if the level meets more than one criteria, then that level will be more valuable and it will give you better indication. Here's another example. Starting from bottom, we have 3 rejections here. So we highlight this level. So again we will find that what criteria this scenario occurs, that will make it a good level of support. First, this level is a swing low point. It means that this is the lowest point hit by the price recently. Second, multiple rejections, as you can see that price got rejected by this level 3 times. Third, drastic movement. You can see that when price tap at this level, it bounced back drastically. A clean move without much consolidation is a drastic move. Here we have another example. First we have this support level, so we highlight it. Now what criteria this level meets? First, swing low, as you can see that this is the lowest point that price hit recently. Second, drastic movement, as you can see that price bounced back from this point drastically. And we have another level spotted here. So again, what criteria does this level meet that makes it a good level? First, multiple rejections, as you can see that this level has 6 rejections overall. Second, drastic movement. You can clearly see here, when price tapped this level, it bounced back drastically. Third, both support and resistance. You can see here, at this point, this level acts as a resistance. And price moves down after tapping this level. And when the resistance got broken, price again tapped at this level. And then this level acts as a support. Here's a question that we always get asked. What is the best way to draw support or resistance zone? Or should we draw a line? Or should we draw a zone? There are 3 ways to draw support and resistance like a professional. First, you can draw a single line, but make sure that the line is touching all the possible points. Second way is to draw multiple lines on candle body closes. For example, we have this candle close here. Draw one line. Another candle close. Draw another line. Candle closes. Draw another line. This way is good, but the problem in this method is that the chart got messy, which can make you confused. So always try to keep your chart super clean, so you can easily read the charts. The third way is to draw a zone to highlight support and resistance. When you draw a zone, sometimes the candle wick will connect, and sometimes the body will connect to the zone. Here's an important point. You can draw a line, or you can draw a proper zone. Both of them are fine, because both are indicating the support and resistance areas. After highlighting these zones, we always wait for some price action and candle behavior to execute a trade in that support or resistance area. So guys, that's all for today. If this video provides you some knowledge, then give us a like and subscribe the channel for more trading videos. Wish you good luck for your trading journey.